8, 10, 5. Add.
23.
26, 34, 15. Add.
75.
12, 6, 9. Multiply.
648.
288. 24. 3. Divide.
4.
45. 21. 14. Subtract.
10.
11. 9. 120. Multiply.
11,880.
79. 9. 70. Multiply.
49,770.
Very good. 23. 23. 23. Add.
69.
Very good. 792. 9.9. 2. Divide. 792. 9.9. 2. Divide.
40.
Very good. 8,281 times 91. 8,281 times 91. 8,281 times 91.
758,571.
612. 68. 2. Divide. 612. 68. 2. Divide.
4.5.
Very good. Very good. A Need for Speed car traveled 450 miles for 5 hours. Calculate the average speed in miles per hour. A Need for Speed car traveled 450 miles for 5 hours. Calculate the average speed in miles per hour.
90 miles per hour.
Very good. What is the product of 3 square and 8?
72.
10, 4, 5, 1 square. Add. 10, 4, 5, 1 square. Add.
20.
Very good. 12 times 12.
144.
144 times 144 times 144. 144 times 144 times 144.
2,985,984.
78 times 78. 78 times 78.
6,084.
154 times 154. 154 times 154.
23,716.
29 times 29.
841.
6 times 6.
36.
36 times 6.
216.
216 times 216 times 216. 216 times 216 times 216.
10,077,696.
Very good. 1. 0.2. 2. Divide. 1. 0.2. 2. Divide.
2.5.
Put the following numbers in words. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1.
434,561.
Very good. 524 divided by 100. 524 divided by 100.
5.24.
Very good.